Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Fotor Fotor and Pixlr Pixlr. Yeah, we want to see which of these two is best for you in 2025. You might be struggling to choose between them. Well, this video is definitely for you, because even though both of them are powerful photo editors, you will still want to know which one is right for you. So in this quick showdown, we'll compare their features, their pricing, and the ease of use, so you can pick the best tool for your creative needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to ease of use, Fotor is simple and has a drag and drop beginner-friendly interface, while Pixlr is slightly steeper. Yes, has a slightly steeper learning curve. When it comes to AI tools, Fotor has AI photo enhancer and background removal, while Pixlr has AI art generator and auto fix because it's more creative. When it comes to their templates, Fotor has tons of social media and marketing templates, while Pixlr has fewer templates but they are more customization. When it comes to pricing, Fotor has a free plan and a pro plan that costs about $8.99 per month, while Pixlr has a free plan and also a premium plan that costs about $7.99 per month. When it comes to mobile app, they both have mobile apps. That of Fotor is smooth and intuitive, while that of Pixlr is very powerful but can lag. When it comes to advanced editing, Fotor has basic adjustments for advanced editing, while Pixlr has layers, blending modes, and pro tools. And lastly, let's look at their speed. That of Fotor is fast processing, and that of Pixlr is slower with heavy edits. Yes, it's slower with heavy edits. So if you don't do heavy edits, it will be fast, but if you do heavy edits, it's definitely going to be slower. So who wins? If you want quick, beautiful edits, Fotor is your go-to. But if you need advanced tools and AI art, Pixlr takes the crown. So which editor do you prefer? Drop a comment below, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you in the next video.